In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create images with Google Gemini. We'll keep this simple and clear. First, you'll open a Gemini account. Then, you'll enter a prompt describing the image you want. Finally, you'll wait while Gemini generates the result. Along the way, I'll share tips to help you get the best image possible from a short description. Start by opening your Gemini account. Use the official Gemini website or app and sign in with your Google credentials. If it's your first time, follow the on-screen setup to accept the terms and confirm you're ready to use generative features. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the image generation doesn't stall. If the image tool isn't available in your region or plan, you may see a notice. Otherwise, you're good to go. Once you're in, look for the main chat box where you interact with Gemini. Now, you can enter your prompt. This is where you tell Gemini exactly what you want it to create. Keep your language clear and specific. For example, you might write, "Create an image of a rabbit playing." That will work, but you'll often get better results by adding a bit more detail in the same message. You could say, "Create an image of a small brown rabbit playing with a red ball in a grassy park, soft afternoon light, realistic style." Details like subject, action, setting, style, and lighting help Gemini understand your vision. If you have preferences for mood, color palette, or camera angle, include them in the same prompt. If the prompt gets long, keep it organized with short phrases separated by commas or periods. When you're satisfied with your description, submit the prompt in the chat. After you submit, wait patiently while Gemini generates your image. Processing time can vary based on server load and the complexity of your request. You may see a progress indicator, and it's normal for this to take a moment. Avoid refreshing the page or navigating away mid-generation. When the result appears, take a close look. If it's close but not perfect, refine the same prompt by adding or removing details and resubmit. You can adjust elements like background, style, colors, or composition using plain language. Small changes often make a big difference. That's all there is to it. Open your Gemini account, describe the image you want in a clear prompt, and give it a moment to generate. With a little practice, you'll quickly learn how much detail to include to get consistently great images.